What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over SPX6900, massive pump, 40% on the day, sitting at $1.44. We're seeing a market cap 1.34 billion, 24 volume, 81 million. So let's quickly pop into the chart. So we exploded from our wave 2 pullback zone. We're now pushing up into our wave 3. As you can see, it's a top meme coin right now. Well, at least the memes that I follow and am invested in. So for a micro count, we can zoom in on the 1 hour chart. You have, let me just remove this quickly. You have the first wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. So all you need to do, take a trend-based fib extension from the bottom of that wave 1 to the top, to the bottom of the wave 2 to give you that wave. Yeah, it's already pushing right up to that wave 3 target. Now it can overshoot. If it overshoots past $1.51, the next target's all the way up at $1.86. It's very possible, but the normal target is the 161. But this is a micro count, so they can be inaccurate. And then you pull back into 4, you push up in the wave 5 to complete the first wave 1 of that larger wave 3 with a target of $2.80. So that's what we're looking at for SPX. Let me just quickly remove this fib, and we'll go to the daily chart. Just see what the EMAs are doing on the daily. Yeah, so we came back, we retested the 55. We've already printed the bullish cross, and just look at that daily candle. Absolutely beautiful. So we should see continuation up towards $2.80. And then in the short term, what was that target that I just gave you guys? It disappeared on me. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. Yeah, short-term targets, the 161.8, which is coming in at $1.51. If it breaks that, you just see it continue to explode. You push all the way up to the 261.8 at 188. Then, of course, the next fib level after that. That's what we're looking at for SPX. We're currently in 5 trades right now, including Giga, which I just made a video on. If you want completely free access to my trading group, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America, one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in Canada and the US. Once you sign up, send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my trading group, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many coins, including Giga and SPX. My exact crypto trade setups. We're in 5 trades right now. My Forex signals. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, all that good stuff. All the links are in the description down below. And as an added bonus, you don't have to do this, but if you put $1,000 into your futures account, you get a $200 bonus. But that's not necessary to gain access to the group. Just take the 30 seconds to sign up and send me an email. All right, gang? Almost 3,000 members in the group. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.